What's good, everybody? My name is Rapoli, aka the hottest Esrand, rapping in TM. And I'm back again with another amazing episode of SS Hanga and Friends. But as you know, I'm always with a guest. But today, we have also two co hosts. I'm not going to introduce them together with the guest, they'll introduce themselves.
Hey guys, my name is Unam Chiana.
Alaba Fawetu Arlang Alpha, girl, the prettiest girl.
The prettiest girl.
It's young lady, the gift of the sheets, the hood baby, Mr. Put that shit on, I look better than your nigga. YTM, yeah.
Yes, sir. Mr. A, Granta.
I'm good, man. How are you, man?
Thanks for coming here. Thank you for coming here. I know you had a lot on your plate. To before you were young A till to you being young A.
I don't know, man. There's no difference. It's like the same thing. Young A and Amgel is the same person. Love of music. I've always liked music. So like since I was like a kid, I used to play CDs at home, like music CDs, like different genres, not even hip hop. So I feel like from that younger age of me listening to those songs, I developed like the sound I have today into young A. But like the hip hop came later on, like I think late primary school. That's when I started getting into hip hop and I started rapping.
Oh, so where did you get the energy from that time? Because by the time I know you now, you were a person that loves like to stay at home, play PlayStation, bola, boye, I never knew like you was a big artist, but time goes by. So I just wanna know by Jani.
I've tried a lot of times with different people, like it's cool, like in Fagwin, like Nepal, something, ni rap. But I ain't now because there's no studio, so then you stop. And then when I finally found a studio where I can go record, and I was like, yo, the song, people like it. So I just kept going from there, met different producers like Oyogi, Switch now, like just different producers still doing the same thing, like.
Oh, okay, cool. So what happened to the YTM, the old YTM? Because you used to have the old ones, your old friends, if I'm not mistaken. You used to be YTM Yakala, of which is Goku. We've took it different ways. Goku, like.
I feel like
it's
it's still the same people, like. Kabanda wangekhoy, but it's still the same people, so it's not like YTM Yakala and Yango. Still the same YTM. But yeah, I think abanye abantu bakhula, people outgrow each other, and then asacinga ngokufana, people want to do other things. So yeah, ilonto. So aba basafuna ukwenza le into ngaba bakhoyo ngoku.
Ndothusoko bro mna xa uthethe isiXhosa. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like unomthetha oko bro xa ithi iWestlake xa isithetha ngala voice. Yaba xa ubona uA from a picture.
Sure.
Ubona umntana uboniswayo ezathi yeah manika, you know, boy shike nje yathi. So yena
Moses.
Yeah bro, iwese go iqala uthetha like ebra ithatha le voice and I thought kube chayile. Yabo. Yeah, sorry like that. But I thought so, yabo. So it goes on in the he was sober when he came and the besa and the just called so bro.
So the best.
Like type like uthetha isijita like yabo.
Okay. Who are expecting a lot from
from the music side, we born where's in the pictures and whatsoever, we born bra le no biya xa udibana izo yo man hours bonze nesilungu sami silungiselelwe but ngoku ndiyabona brother nje isiXhosa yabo except bra like isuka phi igroup yenu man, when you, if it's a group or a crew, when you got to be like CYTM. Actually, let's start. What does YTM stand for?
So okay, which one am I answer first?
Let's go with what does YTM stand for?
YTM stands for Young Trap Music.
Young Trap Music. No,
yeah.
And then the slogan. Like slogan andinovenevuke nonke slogan isifanayo man buze ke size nabantu. Who was like tswembo le way.
I don't know, I just started saying it in songs and then so people started saying it. Kid.
No. Like who was anayo ne? if uza apha nesonka sesakho
No,
but uzositya
like-
nathi.
No, like I said it kwingoma. That it wasn't a slogan. I didn't say okay ngondicing slogan. I said it in a song. So kuba ifike kule ndiyo ngo it's us saying it every day. So nabadlala indima kuba ifike kuni uyazi wena ifike nabantu so the
Maleke field
slogan
yi-1 qasiba siyesomaseka sijikeleze nani yi-1 islogan size nawe mntakwethu. Yeah, dog.
The
I
thing
hear
is-
what you're saying, eh?
I think A is speaking about when you're talking about YTM.
Yeah.
It's like it's the that you see crew say Pele is like say established. Before that, being a colon, being a YTM, he was just saying it in songs.
The YTM not no lame shit.
I want the YTM not no lame shit.
Oh, okay.
So I'm saying I said it in a
Slowly.
song and then everyone keeps saying it. Where you might not hear
yeah.
for the first time, you might hear Umurda saying it somewhere. So but it spread to you through Yena. So that's what I'm saying it. I said it in a song, but it wasn't a slogan. In lyric up.
But I get it. So,
Fully open up.
and like, how did you guys come together in one then?
Oh, like basically we talked about this the other day, but if this day never happened, maybe this will come. So it was just those random days like you chill with your friends. So it was me, Kane, no pastor that day, and we decided, well, okay, we're gonna rap now, and then and like okay, at that time, okay, we're doing a trap, so young trap music just made sense, okay. But when we thought of it, basically as well as like, not saying like. But basically as well as I learned or it would have the impact or influence it has on Ngoku. By that time it's just thinking, okay, what are we doing? We're making trap music at that time. Let's go with this name and then stick. So that's how it came about, was just chilling at home. Thought of a name.
What was the purpose of doing it? Like, and for a team, like, got a feeling of like, no man, I stole it, or you have this creativity or this idea of
Like I think sayeka almost like ukhula ne rap. So sa rap and then we stopped for a while. And then one night like unhleli nje kamreni like just listening to music and I decided to download a beat. Then I downloaded this other app called Tune Me and I recorded a song or like the Ray Shrummet No type beat. And then one Puma Pines I met my friends I'm like yo recorded le way mamelana. So they listened to it. I'm like, yeah, I'm choose so we started then, and then there was like this Nasty C competition. I was like, okay, I'm gonna enter for this. I downloaded the beat with SoundCloud, and I went to record to it in the studio for the first time. So since then, Zang and Diego.
Which studio was that?
And which competition?
It was a Red Bull competition with Nasty C
Okay, yeah.
back then, and then it was this other guy from high school, this white guy. My bad. Yeah, it was like Brad Shaw, that was the producer, so I went to him to record the song. But then I was also mad because I didn't tag the right things, so I didn't even enter that competition. But it helped me because I became an artist, yeah.
Oh, now I take a Red Bull, we drink.
Nah, like back then, Galoko in the hood, we didn't have Wi-Fi, so I had to ask like one of my homeboys, like, yo, can upload the way.
And then he uploaded
it. Yo, Nankala, I was like, yo, crash it through.
Oh, ballet rhymes as a secret. Yeah.
But yeah.
So is the YTM like the only group like a like operator like currently restaurant can use corners in?
No, there's a lot of groups.
There's a lot. But I feel like kudala yabakona musi YTM most of like was new group as abakona before.
We the youngest.
Definitely.
We the youngest.
Yeah. Because like,
I'm kidding.
I think we started last. The groups that are there been there.
There's groups that have been there, and some of them. But for you guys, you are the youngins, but these are breadwinners. Because it's a group as called. It's true because one group as called, but standing as mentioned, or SOs or Bosba, hey, pillow group, but immediately in city, YTM, because come to the Roland is all. It turns out YTM for a change, kind of taking out. And like, the guy who's a podcaster, like, nah. That's the guy. So I feel like, and xa ndithetha nge-AB group endiyaziyo ngezirhabazi bakhona abantu abazuza uyazazi izirhabazi
Omna?
Yeah. Do you know izirhabazi? But bakhona
Kodwa
abantu
andimazi
abantu
Angizazi izirhabazi mina ndilo elam I don't know izirhabazi.
Ndizazi ngayo nam.
Okay.
listen.
Nam.
So yeah man, I feel like
Promote.
I feel like nizi young yin but as a breadwinners to king. Yeah. And for that, for me personally as an artist as well,
Sure.
I appreciate because niyayibeka man emephini yabo.
Yeah.
But says always akhona man bras.
hayi kudala nimabuza ngomculo ngoku sana singene kwi-personal life yakhe.
Yo. Anyway.
But I know.
Do you think?
Yeah, first thing engizobuza ke Sarah, what's your status?
Yo.
Ready some mango.
It's a bingo, brother.
Yeah.
Pauline, are you single or not?
Yeah?
Are you single, ready to mingle, or you just
Dating.
Come then teta na.
Come then,
Come then,
okay.
no.
No, that
Single, yeah, I'm single.
are you ready to mingle?
Ndiyasebenza.
No.
Like there's umculo like.
Yeah, ish.
So
Focus.
yeah.
Focus, man.
So I have this question, bro. Like, since you sense mdulo, as long as I get let me say like each and every time like you present music, ne? Then like you make the colors, but definitely show you once in a relationship, but I mean like you prioritize mdulo.
It's not like anfuna ujola, but if I do, I would like to like understand, but like and kabi kule ndawo ndifuna uba kuyo, so I'm gonna prioritize umculo, yabo. But not by to the point where I can't make time for umntu. Like it's just like izoba khona ixesha like where I'm not available. Like I would hope lo mntu like i-reason enovakala instead of like that I like
Yeah, banzima
Thirty guard.
bomfumane man. Because amantonga ngoku nalanto ba busy le rap career yakho ndondondondoni.
I mean
Like-
it's the same as omnye umuntu onothi usemsebenzini. Like I feel like as a mate you don't understand mos. I-boyfriend yakho
It's different.
It's the same.
How?
You know how is it? You know how is it different?
But kaloku
Phela
ke-
kaloku thina mos as any from umculo. Yena yena xa ndisithi ndisespan, which is why mna if I approach and unemployed, actually I am unemployed.
depending on
So,
uthatha
umuntu-
njani kaloku i-rap career yakho.
Yeah.
Lena nje
Either it's a
abantu
hobby or like
For sure, girl.
lena ndithi kalubona ba priority lena ndithi koba nzima umfa amantombi prioritize imali bra.
Not
Into ezala
sonke.
imali.
Kutheni uthini amantombi?
Yeah,
Amantombi udlala.
generally,
I feel like-
in a corner,
Nah,
in a
but
way,
like, no,
it's
no.
not that maybe I don't want to say by a prioritizer, but I think that it's necessary for you to give.
that's what I'm
energy.
saying. I'm like feeling
Yeah.
sucholo
It is,
ngenamali
yeah.
type
That's what it is, dog. Mna, I wouldn't date
I was
ngemali.
single.
And
Status quo sikhona, dog.
like oh you don't
Status quo
have
sikhona, kuthiwa ikusema amantombazane athanda imali, dog, stay away. If awunamali.
So when I only trying to say what it's a must, but we could high.
It's not.
so
It's-
this is what I'm saying.
It's not.
Yeah, it's not a
but
must.
kawunayo, yeah.
Kawutsho Avid.
So I'm saying it's like you don't have to have a lot of money, but a relationship is gonna need money. Just like a friendship is a thing money.
Most definitely.
Everything in the world is thing money. So if you feel like I'll cook the level from back way, why not focus on yourself instead of a focuser?
On the
Okay.
And why is it
So
coupon
is that
there
why
to
when
mal?
you
Why isn't it
do
coupon
it,
say to like 50?
Bakhona amantombi
No,
ekhula-
like-
I'm not sure.
Now you are
But for me personally, I feel like Imediam shouldn't even contribute. Kum.
For me personally, you
So
So if
I'm the one who's
Nah,
doing
dog,
the
you
shit.
should, bra, you should.
I'm not expecting that shit.
Una give like that.
Mamela.
It's just because I don't like dating amantombi broke.
Whoa,
Because
nigga.
stingy.
The only thing in that is
I'm only stingy to amantombi are broke. Even jola nentombi enemali, I know basenza ntoni kanjani kanjani.
Approachela ntoni intombi engenamali
It's
kwaseqaleni?
because awuca uhambi phaka lobonakala uba unamali.
Oh.
Immediately siqala uclasha ndikubone unawo ububrokarha because uzoncancama nangoku.
It's like umuntu
Chill,
ojolana
dude.
eBrook
but kaloku
uzokuncanta.
not every time nobody
Yeah.
level they one at the same time. dog.
Yabona
Yeah.
but amantombi intombi ebroke mayingafuni umjito nemali.
yeah.
I feel broke.
Ayifuna broke ofana naye.
But personally,
Uye.
if una rich girl who broke,
Yabona ukudla
uzomondla unontombi abuye
Awuzumondla, no,
aze
awuzumondla. Awuzumondla mthi
Tamoya
nje.
cha.
Oh, Dina.
Yeah.
Yale nto ndithenga i-night ezidakiyelwa athi kuthi. Tonight lithengwe ngwazolala kwapha it's fine Jolani.
So, hey, let me ask, bro. Okay, since like okay, you've got your gang name. What if like one of like member yako, uba okay, ikile imate yako. Ungenza nini kuloyo?
I feel like every group in a rules are to like that's one of the rules, but like
But yeah, we control it. It's out of control, bro. If you listen,
so I understand.
sometimes iyakwazi kwenzeka, bro. Let me say, kuyaselwa and then uphume phande whatever case might be. But you say diphele choose ke busy mate yakho.
Yeah, but
for one day.
Ukwenzeka kwayo just know kaloku ba uphule la rules. So ngokuba ifriendship yethu iphelile, iyayazi reason.
Yeah. So nina ki YTM nini boundaries nini rules eniseteleyo. Yeah, that's great. I think the way yenza nini way ba may last a longer because ningena rule like I last year.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Cruises yoyikana man. Because masithi mhlambe elam utyele A yabo A mhlamba akazukwazi umkhona.
Izamdiza.
I don't think
Yeah, don't like that. And I feel like
you for
I feel like before being young like they knew me as Amkele, so our relationship is different.
so different.
So it's not like
like
This nigga is Amkele. But like social media wise, I think intentionally okay, personal life yakhe. It's not like we feel I don't feel like if we be out there saying about okay, this is the type of person I am. With internet, maybe you can get to know.
Okay. Yeah, bro, no, I understand, bro. But bro, for you as a and the tough rapper, about a rappers must say a tough. Like talk for a chikama lako. That's it. Get to a point where you like I can't say my name, my real name.
That's plenty.
Like bro, Amkele. Like when
that's
what the name I was like yo, Amkele.
Yeah,
Sele lakho mntakwethu.
When was your name?
Soze kaloku. Akekho apha endlini olaziyo pha masiqoqo. Konele.
Shini yabo li right is it?
Okay.
Ntombi. Kawuthone kuye man.
What's in the relationship status there?
Oh, but it was a teen, yeah.
No, we're into you.
No, but look, I feel like
But I guess now I can ask questions.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
na boss go yiga nan.
What's your relationship status?
Okay, that's it.
Relationship status.
Me.
Umephi?
I wanna go.
Umephi?
Abanda jawala.
Teno thole ezantsi eh?
Yaphefumula.
Yo.
Because I never say.
Wena
I'm single. I'm not dating.
awubhizi.
Busy. Single.
I'm
Ndiyabuza.
single. No one called busy single.
There's still bonke abasingle bebhizi still. Ndiyabuza yes or no?
No, I'm not.
Wena.
It's complicated.
Complicated.
Yazi mama ngijini ke sakoma ndizothi wathi vela kasekho lapha bo.
Kodwa usanomposter very now. No, because izolo bekuyizolo yeah bekuyizolo I miss him.
Hayi izixoka Thumi.
Yampika.
Hayi guys, nosandithetha lo nto.
Hey, okay, anyways, bonile na.
That's for about imijolo mana ibaleka. Ubuya jola and ubona ifuture. Xolo but xolo ngwewedwa uthe uyajola abantu akatheka.
So
Ubona ifuture emjolweni nawo ubunqwaqnqwako.
yeah. So
Abo vethu imjolo like
Wena ingxaki
Why?
ingarongo ngawe. Zonke ingxaki zakho uzenze zethu. Asifani nawe. Into egqithe kuya zange sigqithe kuzo some of them. So like asizoyifila le nto uyifilayo.
umjolo awubalekanga
Kuwe ubalekile kum. Kuwe ubalekanga.
awulwela but ke
Ndiyawulula because ndiyajola.
Hayi la.
awuzutshata nje nalo muntu ojola naye
Utsho wena ndingatshata
Wonke umuntu lapha uyayicinga.
nangomso ndingatshata. Ndingavuka ndiyotshata ngomso.
Ngizotshata nje umsiwami.
Ndiyokuthatha futhi kube witness pay home affairs.
suke live yaniphambanisa nina hey back to your brand and sihambele kude now unxibe i-t-shirt apha bra yam it's our YTM trap young trap me this is what I was asking but yeah man tell us more about the t-shirt like is it like a brand or like tell us more about the t-shirt.
So yeah, I feel like this is a vision we've had since like COVID times. Even people would tell us, but like, Funaka sends it ski, but we need to do t-shirts. But we were never sure with designs or we were procrastinating. But now this year we decided, okay, let's actually put this plan into motion. And we created these tees. So you can DM any one of the members, Utufuni Skipa, they're gonna get you right. Fumane yako.
I feel like wasifumana
Any colors are
Uzabele
available.
nathi.
Black and white only.
Now this is the first release, but we're planning on ezinye color and other designs. But okwangoku we're pushing is
Black and white.
yeah.
Cool so natural.
Price.
Prices, DM.
DM is a heavy price.
So,
It's affordable though.
Xolweni man fast piercing like ngicela uthetha nge-piercing like ne-jewelries that you guys have like honestly if masithini mhlawumbe ye-Eastern Cape I'm gonna be honest if you go to the Eastern Cape amanye amadyani won't understand why dog kune-earrings how do you guys like what made you to get uba mna ndindim and this is me and ndifuna ukwenza ngolu hlobo even though you know into yoba amajita amaninzi they don't phofu i-piercing ayimelanga I don't know wenza ibe kanjani but you get my point
Like
ufike njani kulaa point yoba I want i-piercing I want earrings and whatsoever because yayazi uba i-judgmental and some people don't really accept la way yabo ayijonga ngolunye uhlobo yabo sithethe ngomntu osuke elalini mhlawumbe
Especially amajana amadala.
yabo how do you like tell us more about the jewelry that you have on your body.
I don't know, man. Maybe it's easy than this experience. I don't know, but like maybe I don't socialize enough to the point but to like unbooze. Yeah, boy. Cause yeah, boy. But yeah, I don't know. I was just confident and the decision I made. Like I was on my way to a friend's house and on my way there I was like, ah man, let me do a piercing. So the ends are on the spot. So it was a thing of that thing, yo, about teen. I just do what I feel. Even the tattoo I did in high school.
Yeah,
We just decided on one morning.
Club cheater, he came to my house, dog. Like,
guy.
he was like, do you have cash with you? Like, yeah, I deny. Or something with the chat. Just like that. Like, you.
Little boy.
Ungacinga wenze ne
Oh, exactly. Yeah.
So I didn't think, and
Yeah,
I was still in school that time, but I just do what I feel, man.
yalo mjidi wakho wathini lo mjidi wadibana nam outside of ispan wabusile uba sowusespan ndithi ya uyabona nje sowusespan ndithi ya uthi yohange ndilunge mna so you don't see yourself ufake i-CV uspada like
I can't be wrong.
no
I can't be
not that
wrong.
there's something wrong but
I
for
was-
you
Yeah, I just feel like for me, God wouldn't bless me get talent in jail.
but it's because bruh the talent this talent needs money so like I don't know man for you how does it go are you living that soft spot or uyazazi I've got me covered okanye under what she's boy
I wouldn't
like
like
nigga cheese
nah,
Yeah,
nah,
like, what cheese.
yeah,
Cheese.
bruh.
Sorry, tomato.
nah, we pay our own rent. I'm a gang, like just hustle njengawe. Like people
Yeah.
do different things. Like
so
but it's
so
not
was
like,
bonus pan
yeah, there's no cheese boy nugs like we try. Like, I'm sure, but we make it work.
Yeah.
It's like we support each other. We are support structure. Bro. So if Umchoose needs help, we help because that's what the group is for.
For sure.
so nikuvile sozo span does that apply to you too
I think what he's trying to say, you know, about it wouldn't be a lifetime thing, go away. Yeah, bro.
But for us as well, man.
But whether you are speaking for me, financial
What is
perspective,
Uspana? Like,
Yeah,
I
for
feel
sure,
like
that's the
everything
thing.
oh,
is
okay,
Uspana.
like
should
like
be definition, yeah.
working for a certain company, like isibhanjo ufuna isibhano ufake
Fuck your
CV.
CV.
Irap ayidinga iCV mos, fake iCV.
I can't be wrong.
For you,
But at this moment, no, like.
usibona we-rapper, full-time rapper.
So bra kusone high hopes balo mculo uzisipana siso sesipana lesilindeleyo.
Like, you gotta work.
You should gotta work.
If this shit doesn't work out,
man.
you fucked up.
Yeah, big time.
Yeah,
Big
bro,
time.
I understand. I see. I know that perspective. Bro.
Gotta work.
Yeah, I gotta
We
work.
all get to that perspective, but then ispansi adingeka, bro. When it comes to but yeah, it's
When you
because we
think-
don't grind the same way. Man.
Okay. Yeah, don't run the same way.
Yeah, we don't grind the same way. Yes, you grind is. Thina sibetha ngo of the unemployed. Fundanga in fact. Ntombi. Tenacho lele. So what happened between you and Pump Wave, who is now known as Trap Lord? Why would probably be Trap Lord? But yeah.
I'ma say from his perspective, which was what he told me. He said he was going through some things and it made him take out his anger on other people and then go. It so happens, but I was one of those people. But we had a convo with him. Sikreno.
Ngikuthethe wenze ntoni?
Like yasuke laphi? Kwasike kwathini?
Oh, okay. So he had, man.
Benzi.
Nigga king.
In other words, ipenzizo.
Okay, so from my perspective, this is what happened. But he had a show. We went to a show, had fun. Good show. We stayed. Yeah, boy. So after that, Tina Sitata was as a successful night. Okay, we had the shows great. Then people close to him just told us, "Ba, Utetiwe and Tina, we did something with Vendiak or something like that," which was the opposite of what we did, yeah, boy. So he hit me up a few months after London Zagila, like, and he was like, "Ikse, I was wrong, wara." So that's how it went.
So if Trap Lord would DM you ngoku ba hey, here's the project, masikhwele kuyo, would you decline or accept the feature?
But what did I say? I
Ah,
said if
no,
we
no.
record, it has to happen up. Like if Siku Studio.
Hello,
together-
brother. Songs whereby Nandi record a project, then I get to a point, but apha kule project you A would fit. So ndithetha into enjalo.
Ndithi kaloku andiyenza lokho njalo, like i-reason yoba ndiyidecline izoyiloo nto yoba like I prefer sibe studio soyi-2. So that would be a reason yoba ndiyidecline.
So zonke ii-features onazo, i-feature eve ndafika, wafika ndikhona ndirecorda and then sadecide uba
Even the first time I met Black, the only reason he was on those songs, he was in the studio, I mean.
Blackstar.
Yeah. So that's just the thing of, if I do a feature, it's because the person was there, or like I have a relationship with them. So if Siklanda yoba ndikusendele ingoma, it's because we've done songs in the past.
So bra mapaleweka Pump Wave, I think I have like something short ne. I think there was where about Pump Wave wanted to join the YTM, something like that. And I don't know, you clash and Leyo. And I think there was also a screenshot. And then I think when you declined something like that, I'm not sure, but it's all about joining YTM and like akavunywa.
But how do you just request to join?
It's something like that. I'm not sure. So, bro, can you please clarify, Glory? Please, bro.
So like umbuzo uthini, is it true or?
Like what happened, Brian? Is it true now? And why if and why did you decline Mambangabili part of this?
Kasimlinda Vumi, nobody, is it true that Pump Wave wanted to join the YTM?
Seems like Pump Wave was trying to copala you and you niggas like you can't.
Okay.
You're shy.
Yeah,
What happened?
it's true, but it's
Did you decline though?
Decline.
yeah, we declined, but we didn't decline Kubinguye. We just declined because it's not how we it's not how we operate. So it wasn't a thing of we said no, go bring pump wave.
But it's not how you operate, Nzani. Like, is the crew supposed to be based ebantwini esikhule nabo?
It's just friends.
But still, it makes
So
sense.
that's like saying, "Don't buy chomi."
Yeah, it
Yeah, but
makes
it's that type
sense.
of
It
thing.
makes sense because ubuchomi is not something that you ask. Beyazi
Yenzekela.
and then
So,
lento
yabo.
zikholisiyenzeka.
So then after the week kwenzeka ntoni because it seems you created a little conflict lo way.
Me from elakhi icala, but that's not the reason anike yona. So angikwazi umthethele.
I think he took it as beef. Not beef, but we started as if umbona ngathi ayekho good enough to join the YTM crew.
But that's not my fault. But we tata njani
It
ayikwazi.
is your fault when I watch it decline. But now, man, it's I don't want to speak much on it. But then I feel like unovukela ubuchomi. Say ngicela uba ngachoose wakho mntakwethu.
Maybe he thought it was just a team, bro. Yebo, never know.
Hayi, ngiyazenza into man, rappers estrand.
So who is your best producer, Pestran?
I can give my list.
Yeah.
Give you a list.
Top 3.
So
And we have a sorter in order.
in order, yeah.
This one is number 1, this one is number 2, and then this one.
Number 1. I just, there's no ranking squeeze. I'ma just say Switch Woods, Murder Man, okay. That's my
Who's K? King K?
Nah, man.
YTMK.
This guy just spoke about King K again, and now it's gonna be like, let's not go deep into it, man.
So I wanna know, bro. What about Poor the Rich in terms of his sound? Don't go about okay, like don't go away. Okay, I know we've had like a long
If you
relationship,
said 5, then I'm about to put a reach.
but in terms of his sound, bro. Now we're talking about sound.
Opinion
Sound. I mean,
Opinion
ziyagi relationships. So still, I'm fucking top 3.
Uba,
Go to Poor the Rich.
after ban by 3 Mabizle.
Yeah, is it because of a relationship or is it because of equality? Be honest.
I just like I rap on easy beats more
Yeah.
because zilapha endlini.
Okay.
So if he sent more, maybe those were high on the list.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
that's my dog.
I got it.
That's your nigga. Okay, so speaking about Switch Woods, ne? A lot of artists have been like speaking about Switch Woods. About Switch Woods produce, don't, and yet now I'm back at number 1. Like,
I was gonna say Switch is an artist before he's a producer, man. Like so, Magachong is an artist. Switch, like
but he didn't.
No,
he
I'm
didn't
just
get an award of producer of the year.
yeah, but I'm just saying the message for Abantu, like
Yeah.
that's just something like.
Bam views as a
Yeah, for
producer
sure.
only.
Nah, but if you get an award for something, that means we are gonna view as that from that perspective because he got an award for being the producer.
For sure,
of the
I'm
year.
not saying
not.
Sunjong but just look at that side as well. Like, okay, he got an award for producing, but
Baby, she
he's
fine.
one hell of an artist.
I
Man.
find Bakuzuchi type of a-
Nangona ke producer but when it comes to mhlambe so rapper udope still.
Yeah, don't count him out. Don't
Udope
like
nje,
exclude
yabo.
him.
He is good we come to so rapper.
He's Zoshi coped up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I get you, bro. So, but is there any artist that is trying to go bar? The as Joyiga, we can't go bar for bar like yando yikisa le. Yabo. Strand song.
Man.
Yeah.
Like if we're making songs, like
What do you like more?
even Cape Town, let's take it there.
Take it out.
Cape Town.
Cape Town as a whole.
This one.
So you believe in yourself. But
What do you think?
What do I think?
Who do you like? Onombeka like high?
Upper Strand.
No.
Okay, Cape Town. The whole Cape Town.
Mm.
Damn, if we go into the whole Cape Town, we're digging deep about
No, I want to hear
Just
like the
say-
interested.
locally.
Man,
Like Cape Town, there's all youngsters, CPT,
Just
Me,
Cape
oh,
Town,
nabo nebafaka.
Biza wonke umuntu, like
CPT.
maybe our peers or it's the new age, like youngster CBTs, like
Setting the
AKAs.
young age, man.
Mm.
Like
Now you can say people in
like umntu endiqonda
Mm.
nguye Cape Town right now for me. I know for abe Cape Town sayinika uSoltier if we apply under the category.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna give it to Soltier. I don't care who says what. Oh ngosemandebele nobani asiyangini says. Salty.
kwi-rap kanye kwi-trap kanye kwintoni.
But we're speaking hip hop wise. Or am I wrong?
When it comes to
I feel like lo mnikileyo I deserve but
When it
myself
comes to-
Salty Jan.
So
Give me one artist enga
that's what I'm saying. Hello, give me artists of thing yo A up.
You ain't gonna do
Your dream.
Oh wena.
Mm.
I'm still gonna put Salty on my first. I'm gonna give you 3. Salty. Then Dignike Bana. Who's this guy? These are my brothers. Okay, nangakunike mjita ke. Ndikunike uSalty on number 2.
Uzonike
On number 2 nzafaka u Babli.
Who there?
Come on, guys. Come on, man.
Babli.
Babli Tom.
Mm.
Then on number 3. Number 3 wami zaba nguzimo. Yabo. Then yeah, man. The pick is funny. So, Apa, please give me your top 3 artists locally. Okay, can I let me be your top 3, it's fine.
Maybe 5.
Okay, top 5.
No order, I would say Switch, Black,
like in that
No, Black. Yeah, you
Black
must be
Star,
specific
okay.
with Black.
Switchwoods, Black Star. Who else? But I don't. I mean, like, I listen to a lot of. Who?
This nigga
Some flashy
Trey.
artists. Who else? Switch, Black, Drex, Steady Drex,
Oh, you the Xhosa guy.
Black Indoda. Come then, Libala.
Should play one.
Mm.
The bastard got copy party.
Pasta Gakup, so yeah, that's
The one
my
from the YTM.
Yeah.
top 5, yeah, man.
Okay, man, it's been a great episode. Thank you, man, for coming up in our episode. I know we had a lot going on. We really had a lot going on. So, what is Young A YTM on to now? Like, Slindele Ndon Kuwe. Yabo.
I can just expect a whole lot of music because I was recording last year, so I'm just gonna release all of that. So just expect content from us.
Yeah, alright. Yeah, thanks everybody for watching. From me, the hottest strand, signing out. See you on another episode. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Dango. Yes, sir.